Meaning of infinitesimal.
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 Infinitesimal. Infinitesimal refers to something that is extremely small, approaching or even equaling zero. This term is often used in mathematics and science to describe values that are too small to measure or quantify. In calculus, infinitesimal is used to describe an infinitely small change in a variable. Despite being incredibly small, infinitesimal values can have a significant impact on larger systems. In real-world applications, infinitesimal changes can lead to major changes in outcomes, making it an important concept in many fields of study, including physics, economics, and engineering.